Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play Paper, EO Multiplayer. This incredibly fun online game challenges you to expand your territory and dominate the map. You'll be competing against numerous other players, all vying for the largest share. It's a fast-paced experience where quick thinking and strategic moves are key to becoming the ultimate champion. Get ready to claim your space. To claim territory, simply move your block to draw a line, then connect that line back to your existing colored area. Each enclosed space becomes yours. Be careful, though, your moving trail is vulnerable. If another player crosses your line before you connect it, you are eliminated. Always be mindful of your surroundings and protect your path. For strategic expansion, consider making many small claims rather than one huge, risky one. This keeps your trail shorter and safer. Always keep an eye on your opponents. Their movements can signal an attack or an opportunity. If you see a player making a very long trail, you might be able to cut them off for a quick elimination and a significant territory gain. The true excitement of Paper. EO comes from the dynamic multiplayer interaction. You're constantly battling against real people, making every game unique. Your goal is to climb the leaderboard, ideally reaching one of the top 3 spots by claiming the most territory. Embrace the challenge, learn from each encounter, and enjoy the thrill of outmaneuvering your opponents to achieve victory.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.